Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is again a haul video. So this haul video is going to be something different because this is not a haul video of Nykaa or Amazon or anything else. This is a haul video of makeup products, solely makeup products that I have purchased, and this is my first video on makeup because I was thinking of doing a makeup video since a very long time, but I was not getting the time, and so I decided to finally make a video on makeup products because I bought some products from Hawk Makeup. You must have heard of this website before, and many of the girls out there have doubt regarding this website, like whether this website is genuine or fake. So I'm going to clear all your doubts regarding this website in this video and also show you some of the products that I have purchased. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and also follow me on my Instagram, and you will be updated on all the things that I do and I share. So yeah. So without any further delay, let's begin with this video. So firstly, I would like to tell you about this website, that is hawkmakeup.com. So this website mainly sells like makeup products of Wet n Wild, of Makeup Revolution, of LA Girl, Milani, Nika K Beauty, and many more brands, and you can just check it out on their website. It's all there. I know that many of you girls have doubt that if this is like genuine or not, so I also have that doubt before I bought the products from this website, but after I bought those, I am extremely happy with the service, with the products and everything about this website, and I just like assure you that every product on this website is surely and 100% genuine, because I have heard that they are the official importers of these makeup brands and they sell products to Nykaa, Purple, etc. So you will also see a great variety of offers and deals going on their website every other day, and like it is much cheaper. The products are much cheaper than on Nykaa or Purple or Myntra also. So that was all about the genuinity of the website. Now coming to the deals. So the products I bought those products for the very first time because it was Women's Day sale going on that website, and all of the products were available at 50% off, and that's why I like jumped onto the website and just thought that I have to grab this offer. I got all of the products at 50% off, and like it was a huge deal for me because I have never seen this kind of offer on Nykaa or on Purple or on Myntra. Like that was a huge deal, and this offer you can get on any special day. Like offer is always there on this website. Now coming to the service of the website, so I got the products 3 to 4 days after ordering them, and when I received the products I was really shocked because they sent those products in a really small carton, and I was shocked that how come all the products got fitted into the small box, because Nykaa always sends you products in a very big box or something like that. So I was just like doubtful, but after opening the box I saw that all the products were perfectly there inside the box. So inside the box all the products were wrapped in a bubble wrap, in 2 bubble wraps, and after seeing the packaging I thought that they should have packed these products a bit carefully, because makeup is very fragile, you know, because I have heard about many who have received damaged products or broken products, so they should be a bit careful about the packaging, I will say. So yeah, that was a negative point for the website, and other than that the products are very good and I have no complaint regarding the products. So yeah guys, so now I will show you the products that I have purchased. So in total there were 5 products. So the 5th one I don't have with myself because that was one of my friend's product, so I don't have that. So I have just 4 products, and very first product is a blush from Wet n Wild. So this is the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. So I will just open it and will show you the color. So it's a very beautiful shade, I will say, and it is just a perfect shade for my complexion, and for fair complexion also this will go very beautifully. So you can see the shade. So they also gave a brush with it. It is like this, and I will say that this brush is of no use. So I will show you the pigmentation of the blush. So you can see the blush is well pigmented, and it looks beautiful on my cheeks. So you can see this is a very beautiful shade. You can wear it during the daytime also and also during the night. So that was the very first product, and I got this at a price of 200, and the original price was I guess 299, something like that, and I got this on some discount at rupees 200. So the next product is a very popular product, I will say, because this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige. So I have nothing to say about this product because almost every girl uses this concealer, and it's just a beautiful concealer, and this is my shade, and it perfectly matches with my complexion, and I use it mainly for highlighting my under eye area, and it beautifully highlights my under eye area and covers all the dark circles. And I also use it as a concealer over my eye as a base of the eyeshadow. So this is a very very good concealer, I will say. And also I got this at a price, and I know that you will not believe it. The original price is 695 for this chotu sa concealer, but I got this at a great deal. I got this at rupees 350, around something like that, 350 to 358 rupees, and I was just very happy when I received this concealer, that this was my, what can I say. So the next product is a eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I have purchased. This is in the shade Neutrals 2. So I will just show you the colors, you will see. So it is just a very beautiful palette, sorry. So you can see it's so beautiful, guys. The shades are so awesome, and it's a multi-purpose palette, I will say, because those who don't like to purchase different products for different purpose, they can use this palette for everything, for contouring, for eyeshadow, for highlight, for blush. Everything can be done using this palette. And I will show you some of the shades. This shade you can use during the daytime, and it is a perfect shade. If you want to apply a single eyeshadow over your eye, this shade will look awesome on you. And I will show you the pigmentation. You can see this, it has a decent pigmentation, and you will not need to struggle much with the eyeshadow. So the next shade is this one. So this is also a very beautiful shade. So you can use this also as a blush on you, and just see the color. So this palette has 5 shimmer shades, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Among these 4 are the most favorite of mine. These 2 you can use as a highlighter during the daytime, because at the night time you need a more pigmented highlighter, so this will not be perfect for the night, but during the day for the light purpose you can use these highlighters. So let's show you the pigmentation. So now I am showing you this one. So you can see that these 2 shades are highly pigmented, so you can use this as a highlighter or as shimmers. So if you are someone who wants to buy a palette for multi-purpose use, so you can just definitely go for this palette. And I myself just love this palette, and I am extremely happy that I bought this. And it has so much beautiful shades, and I just love this palette. So it also I got this at 50% off. If you search on Nykaa, you will see that the price of this palette is 950, but I got this somewhat around 450 rupees. So that was a very good deal for such a beautiful palette. So the next product is a very popular translucent powder, again from the brand Makeup Revolution. So this is the banana powder. So again the price of this is 850 rupees, but I got this somewhat around 400 to 425 rupees, and like I was extremely happy like when I use this powder. It is perfect for baking your under eye area, and like it keeps your concealer set for the entire day, and I just love this powder. The quantity of this powder is 42 gram, and it's just a great deal to get this at only 425 rupees. The fifth product that I was talking about, so that product that my friend ordered with me, so that was a bronzer from the brand Wet n Wild. So I didn't use that product, but my friend was saying that it has a great pigmentation. So sorry that I am not able to show you the product because she already took the product. So also you can see the makeup look that I have created today is done using these products only, except the foundation and the lipstick and the eyeliner. So I have created this eye look using this palette only, so you can see. So again I have used this shade from this palette as a bronzer. I have used a very little bronzer, so you will not be able to like feel the difference. And also I have used this shimmer shade as a highlighter, but I have applied a very little amount, so it will not be that much visible. And I have used this powder to set my under eye area, so you can just see the effect. Like all these products are very beautiful and works very beautifully on my skin, and I just love all these products. So yeah guys, that was all about this haul, and all these products, all these 5 products, I got this around like 1500 rupees, and I was very happy after using all of these products. And all these products are 100% original, and I just love all these products. Also this website offers you free shipping above rupees 800, but since I was ordering for the very first time and I was just a little bit doubtful about the genuinity of this website, so I went for the COD. That's why they took extra charge of rupees 55, and I think that it's not a big deal to pay rupees 55. It's just rupees 55, and when you are getting all these products at 50% off, so paying rupees 55 is not at all a great deal. So that's why I happily went for the COD option. And that was all about this makeup haul from the Hawk Makeup website. And if you want to buy any products from this website, you can definitely buy the products. And if you like using Makeup Revolution or LA Girl or Milani brands or Nika K Beauty, so you can definitely buy these products from this website, because it is a 100% genuine website, and all the products here are 100% genuine, so I will assure you that. And you can definitely go for this website. And yeah guys, that was all about today's video. So see you again in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay fit.